Hello children, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to discuss a typical competitive problem. Semicircle is here. Inside this we are having a triangle of height 14 cm. A P is the diameter of a circle. This is the center point O. This height is 14 centimeter and area of triangle BCD is given to us 147 centimeters square, and height, this is 90 degree. CD height is given to us 14 centimeter. Find, this is 47 centimeter square area. Find the area of rest semicircle. Rest semicircle means excluding this triangle. We have to find the area of this portion excluding this triangle. It means the area of semicircle minus 147 centimeter square. This is to be obtained. This value. First question, 147 will be subtracted later on. First of all, we have to find the value of the area of the semicircle. How can we find it? Area of the semicircle can be written as pi by 2 r square, because pi r square is the total area of the full circle. The semicircle area will be pi by 2 r. The first question is to find somehow r, which is over this. Now let us suppose, in order to find r, what we have to do? क्या करना है? We are having area of triangle BDC is given to us 147 centimeter square. Let us suppose this is DB is a base and this is perpendicular. This area can be written as 1 by 2 into CD into base DB. Okay. Let us suppose DB, then CD is given to us. This is 14 by 2 into DB is equal to area 147. It means DB can be obtained. DB is equal to 721. DB is equal to 21. This is equal to 21. Okay. This is equal to 21. Okay. Now, remaining portion is, let us suppose x. Let us suppose AD is equal to x. It means R will be equal to x plus dB. 2 times R, not R. 2 times R, radius. If R is the radius, then 2 times radius will be equal to x plus this. Okay. Now we have to find R. How we can find it? If we complete this circle, you know that if we complete this circle, this is the circle. Okay. And if it is completed in this way, this is dia, we know it well. We can apply the theory of crossing two chords inside the circle. Whenever two chords cross each other inside a circle, then the segment of the chord, the multiple of the segment of the chord are always equal. It means if this is circle, two chords are intersecting to each other in this way. This is A and B, and this is C and D. That this the segment of this chord, product of segment of this chord means B into A will be equal to D into C. Same is the condition over here. This is 14 we are given, and this will be automatically be 14 because this is the diameter always bisect the chord. These are the two chords. By chance they are, one of them is diameter. In that case, we can apply two theory of chords. One is that diameter always intersect the chord. Diameter always intersect the chord. This is the diameter. If it is 14, then this will also be equal to 14. Second theory on the same chord will be applied, that the segment of these two chords will be, the product of these segments will be equal. It means this is x. If this is y, then x into y will be equal to 40 into 40. Okay? Two theory will be applicable over this. In this case, two theories are further. I am further repeating it again, that we are having two spatial chords in which one of them is dia by chance. Okay? Because of this dia, always diameter intersect the chord into two portions, equal portion. Bisect the another chord into two portions because it is perpendicular. Because it is perpendicular given to us already. It means if it is 14, this portion is 14 CD, then this is C and D, then this portion will be D dash also be 14. Now we will apply the theory of intersection of the chord when two chords are intersecting each other. Not necessary to be a diameter in that case. Then the segment of these chords, the product of the segment of these chords will be always equal to each other. It is, this is if A, this is B. These are the two portions of this segment. This is A and this is B. Then A into B will be equal to the D into C. If this is D and this is C. This is A, this is B. These are the two portions of this segment of this chord, and this is the two segment of this chord, C and D. Then D and C will be equal to A and B. Similarly, we can say this is, we are considering X. This is dB. It means X into dB will be equal to 14 into 14. 14 into 14. It means we can say that X into 21 will be equal to 40 into 40. Or we can say 7 3 is 14. It means X will be equal to 28 by 3. This is now we have obtained. It means now radius will be equal to, now the diameter or radius. This will be 2r will be equal to 28 by 3 plus 21. That is equal to 63, 28 plus 63 upon 3. That is 91 upon 3. That is equal to 2r. It means r will be equal to 91 by 6. This is the value of r. R is equal to 91 by 6. We are getting from here. Hence the area of the semicircle, this will be equal to area. Area will be equal to area, required area. Required area, the semicircle minus 147. Required area will be equal to this will be equal to pi by 2 into r square. 91 by 6 square minus 147. Okay, this will be equal to pi times 82 81 upon 72 minus 147. The value of this when we will calculate, it will be approximately equal to 214.33 centimeters square. It is calculated already. Way of calculation is this only. This is a question, interesting question, calculative questions applicable of the theory of geometry. Totally depend upon the geometry. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck for your future, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you.